Hello everyone. So this is our demo of our assignment 3. We'll start by downloading the assignment from the Brightspace. So it's the second zip folder. Unzip it. Yeah. And then just open the file from the VS Code, which is this one. So our driver class will be the main class, which will be actually driving the entire thing. So we have the main functionality in this driver class. As you can see, I'll just run the code once to give you a glimpse of how the code will be running. Yep. So as you can see the output over here. So you can see that we have four courses over here stated with the timings. So these are the four Java classes which we have created. They are the basic simple Java classes, which is going to extend the course decorators. The basic things like the design, the subject name, the course number, and the course rubrics, as well as the timings. So we have just to simplify the things for our benefit. For the four courses, we have mentioned it over here, so that the user can know what all schedules they are enrolled in, to check whether the conflict is there or not. So in the driver class, we have going to check for the function time conflict, which is written in the course decorator, and time the same thing is over here. Uh, and we'll just give you a brief about abstract student. Abstract student is just basic plain Pojo, where we are given different kinds of what functions we have to implement. In concrete student we have used those things, and we have this time complete function which we have to implement, so we have added that over here, as it was missing, so we have added it. And the basic return function will be false, because in the beginning we won't be having any conflict. So the course decorator class will be explained by Prathamesh.
Yeah, basically the decorator pattern is the structural design pattern where we use different kind of behavior and functionalities, and those kind of the objects are objectual functionalities are implemented dynamically so that we can use the new behaviors and new concepts into the code. So let's take a deep dive into the course decorator. So here you can see that we have implemented some conditions which were given by the professor in PDF to satisfy the condition uh, for Boolean type return, and also the return true false. That is why they are mentioned using OR conditions and these kind of things. And later we have this get university and set university. This is the getters and setters which are implemented so that uh, we will get the university's name, and we can set those objects and variables uh, into the program, and that is what the uh, decorator code is.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, so
yeah,
this is the person Java class, which is basically a Pojo where we have basic functions as well as a constructor over here. As you can see in the driver class, we have this timing 12:30, which is actually for that we have getting the value as 2, because the value is in between, like uh, so like when we start a 1 hour meeting from 12:30, it will clash at 1:30, which will be clashing with our design patterns class. That is why we have a true condition over here. But for 14:25, that is 2:25, it is giving us false, because after a 2:10 class, there is a 15 minutes gap which is more than enough. Like as per the condition mentioned in the PDF, the person has to have 10 minutes gap to reach to the another class. So it is satisfying the condition. We have a 15 minutes gap over here, so that is why we don't have a conflict over here. So that is satisfying our conditions, both of the conditions, and this is our code. Thank you so much.
Thank you.